So for this project I'm using Unifill yarn, similar to Red Heart Super Saver, and 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a magic loop and I'm gonna chain 6. So in the 5th chain from the hook I'm gonna make a double crochet and a double crochet in the last stitch. I'm gonna work a double crochet in this chain behind which I left unworked. So I'm gonna yarn over, come back to the chain behind and work a double crochet slowly. And I've got my first cross stitch worked. Next row, chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm gonna chain 2 and I'm gonna make cross stitch throughout. So I'm gonna skip this first stitch, I'm gonna work a double crochet on this stitch and a double crochet on the next stitch, and then come back and work in the skipped one a double crochet, back double crochet. I'm gonna do the same for the next, skip the next stitch, then double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and work a back double crochet in the skipped stitch. Two cross stitches for the second row. Again, the next row will be a single crochet, so 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the following one, 2 in the next one, 1 in the following one. So I will alternate 2 1 2 1, and then the next row I'll repeat the cross stitch again. So basically this project is based on 1 row on single crochet, which is the base of the cross stitch, and 1 row of cross stitch. The increase of the rows to shape the triangle is only happening in the single crochet row. The cross stitch is always the same. So for that to keep a triangle, we're going to increase the single crochet in every row. For example, we did here 2 1 2 1. The next single crochet row will be 2 1 1 2 1 1, similar to when you work a flat circle, and the next one 2 1 1 1, like 1 single crochet in the next 3, then in the next 4, then in the next 6. To follow along this tutorial, follow the written pattern for the right numbers. Again, chain 2 and then cross stitch, I will continue the same for a total of 17 rows, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what to do next. So here I have done one already, 17th row finished, and then this is the last row of cross stitch. What I'm gonna do now is a row of single crochet with the straps. So there will be no more increase or decrease. I'm gonna single crochet throughout my triangle, and then I'm gonna continue single crochet for 50 I'm gonna continue chaining after the triangle. I'm gonna make 50 chains, and that's how we'll start the strap. So this is the end of the triangle, and I'm gonna chain 50 like I said. So 50 chains are done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna slip stitch back to the triangle. So insert the hook in the chain and pull through all. Insert, oops, and pull through all. I'm gonna do that till I come back to the triangle point. And then back to the triangle point, I'm gonna slip stitch again in every stitch till the next point, where I'm gonna chain 50 again, and then slip stitch back to the triangle point before I fasten off. And that way we have made the straps for the bandana. So here I have finished with the straps for the bandana, and this is the final result, and this is how it looks. Again, don't forget to check the written pattern to follow with the right numbers, and then until next time, take care. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions if you have any. Bye bye.